Hi everyone, welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Karim Springer, the Senior Sales Support Engineer here at Sony Electronics, and today we got a lot of great things to show you. Most importantly, we have Gen AI. How Gen AI works, you can see there's an AI tool prompt window that I'm using here where I'm able to enter in information, and what that does, it allows the AI tool to actually process and create content in real time for me. Now, we're using a Stream Deck, as you can see here, and it's really just to automate the whole prompt for this demo purpose. So I'm just going to go ahead here and just select one prompt, and you'll notice that as soon as I select that prompt, it fills in all the information that I want the AI tool to create. The AI tool, what I wanted to create is a luxury retail digital signage screen for me. So let's go ahead and see how long that's going to take. I'm going to go ahead and send that information. Typically, with doing content creation manually, it could take anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes, or possibly even an hour in some cases. As you can see here, it took the AI tool approximately about a minute, minute and a half to create that content. So you'll notice that I'm showing some nice diamonds up there with some pricing. I want to go ahead and edit that. Go ahead and edit it, 32% off. Again, I'm going to go ahead and send that information. The great thing about the rAVe displays while that's processing is that it has a built-in HDMI5 player built in. It allows the display to render that 4K content that the AI tool is actually sending to it. This sets it aside from other manufacturers that have to download that information, modify it, edit that content, push it up to the CMS, and then ultimately go out to the display. We're able to go directly from the AI tool directly to the display itself. So I'm going to choose one more option here. I'm going to choose, let's go with a lobby, a high-end digital lobby, okay? Welcome screen. Go ahead and push that information to the AI tool for it to start processing and evaluating what I'm saying, what I want it to do. I have my new content built in. So I'm going to ask Watanabe-san to come in here, and he's just going to go ahead and just type in and modify one of my windows here, because you can. Oops, I selected the wrong thing again. There we go. Thank you, Watanabe-san. As you can see here, I want to personalize that welcome screen. He's just going to put in my name. Let's see how long this takes. Send that out to the AI tool. Takes a couple of minutes. It's loading. In a few seconds here, you're going to actually see that update on the welcome screen over there. Currently preparing the content for me. And it updated. So as you can see here, this really saves time and resources by using the AI tool to create content. And again, saves time from going from 30 minutes all the way up to an hour, down to 2 minutes using the AI tool to do most of the heavy lifting. Thank you for joining me here at InfoComm 2026.